In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klaviyo custom reports in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll know how to navigate to custom reports. Pick the right report type, configure your metrics, and save or schedule your report so it's ready when you need it. Start on the Klaviyo dashboard. From here, head to Analytics, then open Custom Reports. This takes you to the reporting area where you can see any existing reports and create new ones. Click Create Custom Report and then choose Create New Report to start from scratch. Next, you'll choose a report type. You'll see several options. Single metric deep dive focuses on one metric with rich breakdowns. Multi-metric lets you compare multiple metrics in one view. Campaign performance highlights how your campaigns are doing. Flows. Performance zeroes in on automated flows. Product performance helps you understand how individual products contribute to revenue. For this walkthrough, select single metric deep dive so we can set up a clean, focused analysis. Give your report a clear name so it's easy to find later. Now it's time to configure it. Click Select Measure to choose what you want to analyze. For an e-commerce view, pick Placed Order. This tells Klaviyo to build your report around order activity. Next, choose the value you want to see for that metric. Select Total to count all events in your time frame. Then pick the aggregation. Choose Sum to add everything together. This combination answers a straightforward question: how many orders were placed over the period you care about? From here, refine the view with groups and filters. Grouping lets you break results down by useful dimensions such as campaign, flow, or device, so you can see what's driving performance. Filters keep the data focused, for example, narrowing to a specific list, country, or product category to remove noise. Set your time frame so the report reflects the right window, like the last 7, 30, or 90 days, or a custom range that matches a promotion or season. Once everything looks right, click Save and Run Report. Klaviyo will generate the results, and you can review trends, spot anomalies, and confirm that your setup matches your goals. If the numbers feel off, revisit your measure, aggregation, groups, filters, or time frame and adjust. Finally, schedule the report so it arrives automatically. Open Schedule Report, choose how often it should run, and confirm. This keeps your team aligned without manual effort and helps you compare periods consistently. That's it. Your custom report is created, saved, and scheduled. Use the same flow for the other report types whenever you need broader comparisons or channel-specific performance insights.